Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to math learning tutorial. So students, in previous session we have learnt about mean, median, mode, okay, and how to find them, okay, and also children we solved 6 problems in exercise 9.2, and in this session we solve the remaining problems, children. Now let's see problem number 7. Centuries scored and number of cricketers in the world are given below. Number of centuries there in the first row, number of cricketers there in the second row. So number of centuries here observations, number of cricketers frequencies. Okay. So number of centuries 5, 56 cricketers. 10 centuries 23 cricketers. 15 centuries 39 cricketers. 20 centuries 13 cricketers. 25 centuries 8 cricketers. Okay. So to this data, find the mean, median and mode of the given data. They are asking three things, children: mean, median, mode. So problem number 7, children. So just to take this data in columns, first number of centuries, next is what, children? Number of cricketers. So here this is xi, children. So these values are what? Fi. So number of centuries 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, and number of centuries are 56, 23, 39, 13 and 8. Okay, so children, these are the number of cricketers, Fi values. First, children, we will find the mean. Okay, now first we find the mean, children. So mean formula is what, children? Sigma Fi xi, direct method. X bar is equal to sigma Fi xi. So we need to find the Fi xi value here. Okay. Yeah. 56 5s are 5 6 are 13, 5 5 are 25, 25 plus 3 28. So it's 280, children. Next, 10 into 23, very simple, 230. 15 39s. Okay. 59s are 135. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 13, 58. So that's 585. Next, 20 into 13, 260. Next, 25 8s are 200. So children, we got Fi xi values also. So what is mean equal to, children? Mean is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. So mean is represented with x bar, children. Okay now, so mean is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. This is the direct method. Now find the sigma Fi xi, sigma Fi values, sigma Fi values. So children, add 56 plus 23, 59 plus 20, 79, 79 9. 88 plus 30, 88, 118, 118 13, 121, 131 plus 8, 139. Okay. So I will recheck, children. 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 9 20, 23 plus 6 29. And 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13. Sigma Fi value is 139. Fi xi values. Okay, we have to add zeros. 5 is the, children. 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 plus 8 is 25. 2 plus 2 4, 6 11 13. 1555 is the sigma Fi xi value, children. Okay now. So we have formula mean is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. So sigma Fi xi value is 1555. Sigma Fi value is 139. Okay. So now, children, we have to substitute in the formula. So mean is equal to sigma Fi xi is 1555 by 139. So children, if you divide this numerator with the denominator, we get 11.18 as its mean. Now children, mean completed. Now we need to find the median. Median we need to find. So children, to find the median, first we need to find the number of the observations. Okay, and cumulative frequencies we have to take. Cumulative frequencies. We have to find cumulative frequencies. So cumulative frequencies means what we need to do, children? All these frequencies should be added by 1 by 1. 56, as it is the 56. While going to the second step, 56 plus 23. What is that? 79. 79 plus 39. 79 9, 88. 88 plus 30, 118. 118 plus 13 is 121, 131. 131 plus 8 is 139. So children, total number of the observations, okay, so number of observations n is equal to 139. Okay, number of observations. So children, here number of observations is odd number. Here number of observations is odd number. If number of observations is odd, what will be the median? Then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation. N plus 1 by 2 observation. So n is 139, children. So 139 plus 1 by 2, 140 by 2, which is equal to 70. So we got 70th observation. Where is the 70, children? 70 is between 56. We have to check between which two cumulative frequencies this value is there. Between which two cumulative frequencies this value is there. So that is between 56 and 79, children. 70 is between 56 and 79. Between these two cumulative frequencies. Now, these higher cumulative frequencies among them is a median class. So this is the median class and its respective observation is the median. So this is the median, children. This is the median. So children, therefore median is equal to 10. Now children, we need to find mode. What is the mode? Mode is observation with the maximum frequency. Observation with the maximum frequency. Here, which is having the maximum frequency? 56, 79, 118. Sorry, these are the cumulative frequencies. No, here we have to see 56, 23, 39, 38. Observation with the maximum frequency. These are the frequencies, children. These are the cumulative frequencies, CF. These are the cumulative frequency. In that, this is less than cumulative frequency. It's a 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So from top to bottom, we are going on adding. Okay, now from down to up, you do the if you do the same thing. That is called greater than cumulative frequency. Okay, now. Okay, so children, that is other thing. So here we learned the cumulative frequencies in LCM. That's okay. Now highest frequency is 56. 56, 23, 39, 38. 56 is the highest frequency. So which observation has this frequency? 5. Okay, means mode of this data is, children, 5. So that is equal to, therefore mode is equal to observation with maximum frequency is 5. Therefore mode is equal to 5. So children, mean is 11.18, median is 10, mode is 5. So this is the way to solve this problem, children. Okay, now children, let's see the next problem. On the occasion of New Year's Day, a sweet stall prepared sweet packets. Number of sweet packets and cost of each packet are given as follows. Cost of packet in rupees 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. Number of packets is given as 20, 36, 22, 29, 22, 11. Find mean, median and mode of the data. Children, this is similar to previous problem, 7th problem. So already we did 7th problem here, no? Similar to this problem, we have to solve. Okay, so take this box in like column wise, children. In first column, cost of packet, that is xi value. Second packet, number of packets, that is fi value. So direct method you can use, children, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. By that you will get the mean. And second thing, median. Find the total number of the observations. If the total number of the observations is even number, what is the median? Average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. If number of observations is odd, then median is n plus 1 by 2 observation. Whatever we are getting, so we have to, after getting that number, children, average or n plus 1 by 2 observation, after getting that value, we have to check between which two cumulative frequencies it is there. Then higher cumulative frequency related class interval or related line is median class. That is median row. In that, whatever the observation is there, so that is our median. Okay, and mode is very simple, children. Among all these things, mode is the observation with the maximum frequency. Let's see the frequencies: 20, 36, 32, 29, 22, 11. So here, what is the highest number? 36. Related observation 50. That is the mode. Okay, mode is observation with the maximum frequency. Very easy to find. Mode is very easy to find. Okay. Now, children, so please do this problem similar to 7th problem. Okay. Now let's see next problem. Now let's see problem number 9. The mean weight of 3 students is 40 kg. One of the student Ranga weighs 46 kg. The other 2 students Rahim and Reshma have the same weight. Find Rahim's weight. So children, here what is given here in the question? Mean weight of 3 students. Okay, mean weight of 3 students. How much? 40 kg. 40 kg. Okay. Now weight of one of the student is given. Okay, so he is Ranga. So weight of Ranga is equal to, his weight is 46 kg, children. His weight is 46 kg. And other 2 students, who are they? Rahim and Reshma are having the same weight. They are asking us to find Rahim's weight. So let the weights of Rahim and Reshma be x comma x. So because they told equal, children, so if Rahim is having x kg, even Reshma also having x kg weight. Okay. Now here we have to use mean formula. What is mean formula, children? Mean is equal to sum of the observations by number of the observations. So this is the formula. Sum of the observations by number of the observations. So we have to use this formula, children. In this problem, mean is given. What is that? 40. So 40 is equal to, so like sum of the observations means what are the observations? 46. Other 2 students are having x kg. So 46 plus x by. So number of students 3. So solve this, children. 43 sir. By becomes into after transposing the term. 40 into 3 is equal 46 plus x is 2x, children. X plus x 2x. Now it's 120. Transpose 46 to left hand side. So it is after transposing minus 46. That is equal to 2x. So what is 120 minus 46? 120 minus 40 is what? 80. 80 minus 6, 74. So 74 is equal to 2x, or it can be written as 2x is equal to 74, children. Okay, so if 2x is equal to 74, what x is equal? So x is equal to 74 into becomes by, children. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So x is equal to 37 kg. It means, children, x is nothing but weights of Rahim and Reshma. Here in the problem they are asking weight of Rahim, that is 37. Even Reshma's weight also 37 kg only. So therefore weight of Rahim is equal to 37 kg. So weight of Rahim is equal to 37 kg. So children, this is the way to solve this problem. Now let's see the next problem. Children, let's see problem number 10. The donations given to an orphanage home by the students of different classes of a secondary school are given below. Class donation by each student in rupees, number of students is given. Okay. So here find the mean, median and mode of the data. So this is the table, children. So 3 things we need to find: mean, median and mode. So first I will take this table, children. Okay. So first column is about class. Okay. Second class is about donation by each student. Okay. Donation by each student. Next number of. So this is xi value, children. Next, number of students. Okay, so number of students means this is frequency value, Fi value, children. Okay, now see. Now what we need to do means just whatever there is the textbook, copy here first. Class 6th to 10th is there, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes. So donation by each student in rupees. This is in rupees, children. So here each student is giving 5 rupees. 7th class 7 rupees. 8th class 10 rupees. 9th class 15 rupees. 10th class 20 rupees. So they are donating to orphanage home. Okay, now frequency. In 6th class 15 students donated. In 7th class 15 students donated. In 8th class 20 students donated. In 9th class 16 students donated. In 10th class 14 students donated. Okay, so children, here mean is equal to, we use the direct method, children, because small values are there. Okay, now so Fi Xi values we find, children, first. Fi Xi values we find, because to find the mean, what is the formula in direct method? Sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. Okay, sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So Fi Xi values we will find, children. 15 5s are 75. 15 7s are 105. 20 10s are 200. Now 16 15s are 15 6 are 90. Okay. And 15 1s are 15. 15 plus 9, 240. 20 14s are 14 2s are 28, and 0 as it is we will take. Now sigma Fi values we need to find, children, and also sigma Fi Xi values we need to find. So sigma Fi value, children, 15 15 30 20 50 46, yeah, 50 16 66 4 70 70 plus 10 80. Sigma Fi values, children, 80. Now sigma Fi Xi values we need to find. So here put 0. Okay, now so 5 plus 5 what, children? 10. Okay, so 10. 8 plus 4 13 13, sorry, 12 12 plus 7 19 19 plus 1 20. 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 2 6 7 plus 2 9 900. Sigma Fi Xi value 900. So children, what is mean is equal? Mean is equal sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. Okay, mean is equal to, mean is represented with x bar, children. Mean is equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So that is equal to 900 by 80. So 0 0 cancel, children. So we have to divide 90 with 8. So what we get, children? 8 ones are 8. 10 is there. 8 ones are 8. 2 is remainder. 0. 8 2s are 16. Again 40 will come. 8 5 are 40. 11.25. Mean is 11.25, children. Now we will find the median. What is the median, children? Middle observation of the ordered data. So to find the median, okay, to ungroup tabulated data, we have to find the cumulative frequencies. Now children, we need to find cumulative frequencies. CF stands for cumulative frequencies. It means, children, from first line to second line. So it's just as we are coming down, we have to add up the frequencies. Okay. So first 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 16 66, 66 plus 14 80. So here number of observations we need to find, children. Okay, now so number of observations, how many observations are here, children? N value is 80. So it is even number, children. 80 is even number. So now if n is number of observations is even number, we have to find the average of middle two observations. So what is the average of middle two observations? Median is equal to average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1 observations. N by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1 observations. So that is average of n by 2 means for 80 by 2. That's 40, 40 plus 1, 41. Average of 40 plus 40 and 41. That is 40 plus 41, 81 by 2. we get 40.5. Okay, so 40.5. Children, now we have to find between which two cumulative frequencies this 40.5 is there. So between 30 and 50, 40.5 is there, children. Now whichever is the highest cumulative frequency, its corresponding observation we have to take. Okay, its corresponding observation we have to take as median. So this is the median, children. Okay, now so corresponding observation. So therefore median is equal to 10. Okay, median is equal to 10. Now we need to find mode, children. What is the mode? The observation with the maximum frequency. The observation with the maximum frequency is called mode. So here what is the maximum frequency? Let's see frequencies. 15, 15, 20, 16, 14. 20 is the maximum frequency. What is its corresponding observation? 10. So mode is equal to observation with the maximum frequency. With the maximum frequency. So here 10 has maximum frequency. 10 has maximum frequency. Therefore, what is mode is equal to, children? 10. Okay, mode is equal to 10. So, students, this is the process to solve this problem. Now, let's see the next problem. Children, let's see problem number 11. There are 4 unknown numbers. The mean of the first 2 numbers is 4 and the mean of first 3 numbers is 9. The mean of all 4 numbers is 15. If one of the 4 numbers is 2, find the other numbers. Children, there are 4 numbers, children. So we don't know what those numbers are, and here they mentioned one of the number is 2. Okay. So first we have to assume those 4 numbers like this, children. Let 4 numbers be x1, x2, x3, x4, and they gave here the mean of first 2 numbers is 4. The mean of first 2 numbers. Okay, the mean of first 2 numbers is 2, children. So it means 4. Mean of first 2 numbers is 4. So it means, children, mean is equal to sum of the observations by number of the observations, right? So here x1, x2 are the observations. So you can do like this: x1 plus x2 by 2 mean. Sum of the observations by number of the observations, that is equal to 4. So x1 plus x2 is equal, by becomes into 4 2's 8. So we got here x1 plus x2 as 8, children. Okay. Here in the question they mentioned one of the number is 2. One of the number is 2. So let the number is x1, children, that is equal to, so 2 plus x2 is equal to 8. x2 is equal to 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So x2 is equal to 6, children. x1 is equal to, means one of the numbers they told. So I am taking x1 as 2 and x2 as 6. Now let's see the next point. The mean of first 3 is 9. So the mean of first 3 numbers. Okay, the mean of first 3 numbers is 9, children. So it means what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to 9. So by solving this, what we get, children? x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal, by becomes into, so that's 9 3's, which is equal to 27. So x1 is 2, x2 is 6. So just 2 plus 6 plus x3 is equal to 27. 8 plus x3 is equal to 27. So x3 is equal to 27 minus 8. So which gives you 19. So children, third number x3 is equal to 19. x1 2, x2 6, x3 is 19. Now the mean of all 4 numbers is 15. Okay, so the mean of all 4 numbers is equal to 15. So it means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4 is equal to 15, children. So x1, x2, x3 values we got to substitute here. 2 plus x2 6, x3 19 plus x4 is equal, by becomes into, children. So 15 into 4, which is equal to 60. Now this is how much, children? 19 plus 6 25 plus 2 27. 27 plus x4 is equal to 60. So x4 is equal to 60 minus 27. So 60 minus 27 value, children? 33. Okay, so x4 is equal to 33, children. So what are those four numbers, children? x1 is 2, x2 is 6, x3 is 19, x4 is 33. So this is the way to solve this problem. Okay. So children, I hope you understood well. Okay. So children, you can also find the previous classes of this statistics chapter of 9th class in playlist. Okay, with the name class 9th statistics. And all other classes videos also available in playlist, children. So chapter wise, topic wise. Okay, you can find videos there. And thank you for watching, children. So please subscribe and share my channel. Bye.